Choo-choo, here comes the train, full of animals again and again. Clap your hands and sing along. Ride the animal train with a happy song.
I do a look, 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 the elephant's here. Big gray ears and a trunk so near. Stomp, stomp, heavy and slow, on the animal train we go. Here comes the tiger, strong and fast, orange stripes running past. Roar, roar, hear him say, join the train and ride today. The monkey swings from side to side, cheeky smiles as we ride. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, what a sound. The animal train goes round and round. The lion's king with the mighty mane, he's the leader of the train. Roar so loud, let's all cheer. The animal train is finally here. Choo